Hey there, all you heroes and sheroes. Ever had your rig break down at the worst possible time? Yeah, me too. It's like the universe conspires to leave you stranded in the middle of nowhere with a deadline to meet. And the repair bill? Ouch, it's enough to make a grown mechanic cry. Look, I get it, trucking is tough and every dollar counts. You might be tempted to skip an oil change or two, push those brakes a little longer, or ignore that weird noise coming from the engine. But trust me, neglecting maintenance is a surefire way to drain your bank account faster than a leaky fuel tank. Think about it. Would you rather spend a few $100 now on routine maintenance or thousands later on a major repair? Yeah, I thought so. Remember, taking care of your truck is an investment, not an expense. It's about staying on the road, making those deliveries, and keeping that money coming in. So let's dive into some ways to keep your rig running smoothly without breaking the bank, shall we? They say an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Well, in the trucking world, it's more like a gallon of prevention is worth a tanker truck of cure. Regular maintenance is the key to avoiding those wallet-draining breakdowns. Think of it like this. You wouldn't run a marathon without stretching first, would you? Same goes for your truck. Regular oil changes, air filter replacements, and brake inspections might seem like small potatoes, but they can prevent major problems down the road. And by down the road, I mean literally. Preventing a problem is always cheaper than fixing it after it occurs. It's like choosing between a quick tune-up and a complete engine overhaul. Which one sounds more appealing to your wallet?
All right, let's talk about some common truck problems that can cost you a fortune if you're not careful. First up, we got the engine. It's the heart of your truck. And neglecting it is like skipping a heartbeat. Not good. Regular oil changes are crucial. Think of it as a blood transfusion for your engine, keeping it running smoothly. And don't forget about those air filters. They keep the engine breathing clean air, preventing premature wear and tear. Next, let's talk brakes. These bad boys are your lifeline on the road. Ignoring those squeaks and groans is like playing Russian roulette with your rig. Get those brakes inspected regularly and replace worn-out pads before they turn into a major headache and expense. And last, but not least, those tires. They're your connection to the road, and neglecting them is like driving on ice skates. Check your tire pressure regularly and rotate them according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Trust me, the cost of new tires is way higher than the price of a few air pressure checks.
Section 4. Get organized, save money. Listen, I get it. Keeping track of maintenance schedules can be about as fun as a root canal. But trust me, being organized can save you a ton of money in the long run. Create a simple spreadsheet or use a handy-dandy app to track your truck's maintenance history. Log those oil changes, filter replacements, and tire rotations. It's like keeping a diary for your truck. But instead of sappy poems, it's filled with greasy receipts. Having a record of your maintenance will not only help you stay on top of things, but also come in handy when it's time to sell your rig. And speaking of saving money, consider buying parts in bulk or online. You can often find better deals than at your local auto parts store. Plus, you'll have those spare parts on hand when you need them, saving you precious time and money. Section 5, Inspection Time, your truck's checkup. Remember those awkward school physicals? Well, your truck needs checkups too, and trust me, they're way less awkward. Regular inspections are crucial for catching small problems before they turn into major meltdowns. Think of it like this. Would you rather find a loose screw or a missing engine block? Yeah, I thought so. During an inspection, a qualified mechanic will crawl under your truck, poke around, and make sure everything is in tip-top shape. Catch you another way another day.